जहाँ पौधों से निकलते हैं खून के आंसू, जहाँ पौधों से निकलते हैं खून के आंसू, वहाँ इंसान रहते हैं, उसे कश्मीर कहते हैं। Honorable judges, respectable teachers and dedicated students, Assalamu alaikum. It's my honor to express my sentiments about Kashmir issue, which is a huge threat for the world peace. Firstly, I just want to say that Jammu and Kashmir is part of Pakistan in blood, in flesh, in culture, in history, in geography, in every way and in every form. These are few words that can judicially describe our sentiment for Kashmir and the continuing struggle of its inhabitants. It is even harder to explain the depth of suffering, frustration, and distress at the tragic continuation of killings of its inhabitants. Even 7 decades on, the struggle for the right of self-determination by the Kashmiris has been prevented by the brutality of the 7 lakh Indian forces illegally occupying the territory. Mr. President, this is a serious issue for the whole world, not only for the subcontinent. I request to all world powers to play their role to resolve this highly sensitive conflict before occurrence of any global destruction. Thank you.